Did you know plastic bottles take around 450 years to decompose? And roughly 2.5 million tons of carbon dioxide are created from the process of manufacturing and filling plastic bottles every year? Plastic pollution has become one of the world's most urgent environmental issues. The relentless consumption of single-use plastic bottles has placed an unsustainable burden on our ecosystems, with billions of plastic bottles ending up in landfills, rivers, and oceans each year. In Guyana, this problem has been compounded by the over-reliance on bottled water in our schools. Recover Guyana is proud to announce a transformative change through the Water Purification and Sustainability Initiative in secondary schools. Let's start at West Demerara Secondary School. This initiative provides a sustainable solution to plastic pollution and water quality by installing advanced reverse osmosis and UV filtration systems, ensuring that over 900 students have access to clean, safe drinking water every day. The reverse osmosis system works by filtering out contaminants, providing purified water directly to the students. The UV filtration process ensures that harmful microorganisms are completely eradicated. The result: clean, safe drinking water without a need for single-use plastic bottles, reducing plastic waste and saving schools money. This project is not only about providing clean water, it's about building a sustainable future. By eliminating up to 175,000 plastic bottles by 2030, we're significantly reducing our carbon footprint and contributing directly to the Guyana's low carbon development strategy and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, particularly SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation, and SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. This project wouldn't have been possible without the invaluable support of the Greater Guyana Initiative. Their funding and commitment to sustainability have allowed us to bring this project to life, and we look forward to expanding this initiative across Guyana to benefit more schools and communities.
This project aligns with Guyana's national priorities of reducing plastic waste, promoting sustainability in schools and communities, and fostering environmental responsibility. By integrating these values into our educational system, we are promoting sustainability at so many different levels.
We also thank the Ministry of Education for their ongoing partnership and dedication to the well-being of students across the country. Their contribution have been key in facilitating the implementation of this water purification system at West Demerara Secondary School, and will continue to be essential as we work together to scale this project.
You can sense in them already that passion for change, that passion for sustainability, that passion for making Guyana great.
At West Demerara Secondary School, over 900 students will benefit daily from this system, saving the school up to $55,000 per week, which was previously spent on bottled water. By the end of 2030, we estimate that this initiative will save the school over $15 million, funds that can be redirected towards further educational initiatives. This is just the beginning. Through collaboration, education, and innovation, we will ensure that the Water Purification and Sustainability Initiative reaches more schools across Guyana, benefiting tens of thousands of students and helping our country move towards a greener, more sustainable future. Together, we can create a better, more sustainable tomorrow. Let's continue working for a future with clean water, cleaner environments, and empower youths. Let us remember that the fight against plastic pollution begins with action. We're proud to be part of a movement that empowers our youths, our schools, and our communities. To make a lasting difference, this is just a start. Together, we can create a future where plastic waste is no longer a burden, but a thing of the past.